We're getting closer and closer to the grand opening. The Border X team is moving fast. They've installed the bar top here. Over on this side, we have 16 taps. The 16 taps actually goes down under the bar, and these things go all the way into the cold room. In the cold room, there's gonna be kegs. The beer will basically flow from the kegs to the taps to the cup, and then right to you guys. So we're here with David at Border X. We wanted David to tell you a little bit about what his team has been up to.
So we're super excited to share the progress that we've made. Right now the team behind me is putting together the bar. So if you hear a little bit of noise back there, that's them hurriedly making final plans. And now we're beginning to lay out all the furniture out here so that you can get an idea of what it's going to look like when we're done. Basically, it's just cosmetics now. We're going to be doing some painting, bringing in some artwork, and getting ready for our grand opening.
You guys might remember Border X held a job fair. A lot of you turned out for it. About how many people came?
Over 75 people.
Wow.
The great thing is a lot of them come with brewery experience, so we'll be able to bring them in right on board and just hit the ground running.
One of the cool things the Border X team decided to do is actually make sure that you guys can see the tanks. And so while you're having a beer, while you're enjoying it, you can actually see the beer being made in these tanks that will be right behind the bar.
So when you come to Border X, what you'll find is we have quite a bit of space between our brewing equipment and our bar. We did that on purpose. We're going to be adding another row of fermenters in the future as we grow, while still leaving enough space for the bartenders to do their job. This spot in particular is going to be a michelada station. So as a craft brewery, a Mexican craft brewery, we love our micheladas, and so we're going to put some energy in making sure that we can do those right. If you see a lot of space, it's because we've left room to grow. Our motto is craft, culture, and community. And the way that we bring it alive here is that we'll be hosting an art show at our opening that will be against the far wall, and it'll be featuring artists from here, from Bell, from Southeast LA, and we'll bring it here and showcasing it for the community.
The brewery is now installing their glycol chiller, which is basically a huge refrigerator that allows the brewery to make beer between 25 and 27 degrees Fahrenheit.
So if you think this logo is large, wait till you see the one that goes outside the building. That one's going to be double the size of this. And it's going to go on both sides of the fin that we have right here outside the building. And you'll be able to see it almost a mile or two down the street in any direction.
So everybody's been asking me, what will be the hours of operation? What days will you guys be open?
So right now we're planning on opening on Thursday through Sunday. On weekdays we open up at 4 and go to 11 at night, and on weekends we open up at 12 and go to 11 at night as well.
And the big day, the grand opening, everyone wants to know, where are we at?
Right now, if everything goes to plan, we get our permits and we move forward, we're looking at March 2nd, Saturday, March 2nd.
March 2nd, at noon.
At noon.
Awesome.